Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering and preparing the rover so it will deliver accurate positions. First, charge the battery fully and connect any external power. This prevents mid-task shutdowns. Next, insert the SIM or establish the RTK baselink so the rover can receive correction data and enable GNSS in the settings. Once done, mount the antenna high and clear of metal or overhangs. Make sure the mount is rigid to avoid movement that will corrupt fixes. You now configure corrections and obtain an initial fix to lock carrier phase measurements. Choose RTK mode and enter base coordinates or end-trip credentials. This tells the rover where corrections come from. Then let the rover sit stationary for 5 to 10 minutes to resolve integer ambiguities. This improves centimeter accuracy. Afterward, calibrate tilt compensation and load, or create your waypoint/survey file, so the rover will. You finish by executing the survey and ensuring data integrity as you go. For each point, plant the pole, keep the antenna steady, and verify a fixed RTK quality before logging to avoid rework. If you lose fixes, switch to RTK float or hold position to continue while you diagnose. Once conditions permit, reinitialize to regain fixed solutions. If problems persist, check antenna connections, confirm the base or end-trip stream is active, and scan for nearby interference. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.